Yo, what's up guys? This is the WHADAFUNK Stories vlog, and on this episode, I'm going to show you guys the making of the new Winter 2021 collection. I'm going to show you guys what's going down. Hear that echo? I'm in the closet right now. I'm going to show you what we're doing. Alright guys, I showed you guys how to burn silk screens the DIY way on a YouTube video earlier. Right now, we're in the closet and we are burning silk screens the DIY way. Got our lamp set up right here. And then we just made a little extension with this flood lamp. And this is DIY. It doesn't cost that much money and it's easy to use. You don't have to buy your own exposure unit. You just set up. This right here is going on a long sleeve shirt. I'm going to show you guys that when we start printing it, so stay tuned for that. Just finished printing these long sleeves. This is the back. Really, really dope. And we did 2 hits on the sleeves. So both sleeves, both sides are printed on. Check it out. This is dope. So this is what's on the sleeve. Both sleeves. That's the back. Got a little snake in the front. Boom. Boom, 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 bam. There we go. And right now I'm getting ready to start printing the other long sleeve shirt. This is the Loyalty, boom, Loyalty long sleeve. It's gonna be black, white. We got the test shirt underneath. You gotta use a test shirt, make sure the screen is good to go. Got our ink right here, squeegee. Everything is a disaster. I'm gonna show you guys how crazy it is right now. Everything is crazy right now. I don't know how this sticker ended up here, but whatever. Crazy. Yo guys, so we're back right now at the studio working on the collection. I'm going to show you guys what we have done so far. Not everything was filmed because, you know, sometimes you just got to focus on creating the art, and sometimes it's hard to create the content and the art. So sometimes you really just got to focus on making the art and making the pieces. So that's really important tip for everybody who is trying to do their own thing. Sometimes take a step back from the content, focus on what you're actually making, because that's what really matters. The content is whatever. We're just doing this for you guys and to have a little bit of history. So here we go. Right here, this is sick. This is all printed up, ready to go. This is really, really dope. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's hard to do this with one hand. I say this shit all the time, but it's the truth. Down for Life tote bags. This is a test print right here. There's a screen. Living Free. This is going to be on the tie-dye women's crop tops, which is super dope. Crop top sweatshirts. This is going on. Everything's a mess right now. It's driving me crazy, but that's part of the process. Here we go. WHADAFUNK Sugar Skull. This is on the back of a hoodie. Show you guys a little bit more of that. This is on the back of a hoodie. It's really, really dope. Just finished printing those. Alright guys, so what you see right now is some mugs are being made at the moment. So we're cutting this up, getting it ready, and then we're going to press the mugs. There he is, the man behind the scenes, Grizz. We got the Cricket Joy going. Shout out to Cricket. If you guys want to send us anything free, let me know. So here we are. We're gonna make these mugs all nice. Soon, this will be a nice WHADAFUNK mug. Show you guys the process. Alright, we got the design all set up. This is a test one, so, you know, one of one type stuff. We're just learning how to use the machine, so gotta test things out. Here, flip the mugs. It's gonna be on both sides. Boom. See, we had a couple errors in here. We made the cutout a little too small. Gotta put the cutter a little bit stronger on the next cut. This is just a test run, just to see how the press works. Get in, I forgot. Alright, I put it in. Sorry guys, I forgot. Let's get it. Let's get it. First mug ever. DIY life. Let's check it out. The removing of the tape. Let's see what happens with this design. Wow. 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 We're back in the studio. We finished printing everything. Only showed you guys a little bit of behind the scenes of that process because we were focusing on printing. We did a lot of new stuff. We did some sweatpants, we did some long sleeves, some hoodies. But so check it out. We made some mugs as well. So I just want to show you guys what we made so far. So we finished printing these, showed you guys a little bit of behind the scenes of this. These are really, really dope, really nice. Printed on the front, top and bottom of the other side of the leg. Really, really dope. So right now we're in the process of, we're going to do the photo shoot right now. We're going to take pictures for the website. After that we edit them, get them ready, set up the website, get everything done for that. But right now we're just getting the shirts ready. We're going to steam them, set up the photo shoot area, start taking pictures, bring it to the computer, editing it, you know, all the fun stuff. So let's get right to it. Here's our steamer. About to steam them, hang them up, set up a nice little thing right here. Gonna try out a new light, try out different things. It's all about experimenting and having fun and enjoying the process. If you're not enjoying the process, then stop doing it. But that's why I keep doing it, because I enjoy the process. Alright, we're getting ready. DIY setup right here. Got the clothes on the hangers, ready to go. Camera, about to do some product shots. Got a couple lights set up. Now we finished up the collection. I'm going to show you guys a couple of the pieces. So here's the finished collection. First up, the Loyalty long sleeve, printed on the back, printed on the front, and check out these sleeves right here, printed on both sleeves, same design, left and right sleeve, front, back, printed pretty much everywhere you could print on one of these. So got that first up. Next up, Till Death long sleeve, gold shirt. Want to switch up the colors on this, you know, try something new. We never made a shirt this color, I don't think. Printed on the front, back, sleeves. We got the skull, flames, WHADAFUNK written in the middle, hand drawn. As always, hand silk screen printed. You guys seen the video. Then we have the Living Free cropped hoodie. So this has been a highly sought out WHADAFUNK piece. Cropped hoodies, something we've been wanting to make for a long time, and luckily we made them tie-dye. So this is dope. Really, really dope. Got the extra long drawstrings, which is fun. All these are unique pieces. That's also dope. All these are uniquely tie-dyed, so each person will have a unique piece, one of one. Same print on the front, Living Free. Down for Life tote bag. This right here, printed on both sides. Tote bag, you always need an extra tote bag because, let's face it, you forget them places, all that good stuff. And plus, wouldn't you want a really dope WHADAFUNK tote bag? They always sell out, so make sure you grab one of these. These are super dope. This was inspired by NWO. Yeah, where the wrestling fans at? Shouts to the NWO. Next up, check out this sugar skull design. WHADAFUNK written. Nice soft hoodie. Getting a lot of compliments on this already. And we just released it. So check it out. Huge print on the back. Nice middle hit. And I put it right in the middle. So when you wear a jacket, everyone could read it. I didn't want to put something on the side because when you wear a jacket, you want to leave it unzippered. You want to show off a little bit. So that's why I put it right in the middle. Blast it right out there for everybody to see what you're repping. Huge print on the back. This is a huge print. Huge print. Really dope. Hope you guys like this one. This is my personal favorite. Super comfortable. So here's another one. Something we've never made before. Jogger sweatpants. You know? Got the cuffs at the bottom. Print on the bottom. Print on the other side. Extra long drawstrings. Just fun to accessorize with. Pockets on both sides. Tie-dye. Pocket in the back too. I mean, you can't get better than this, honestly. This is my personal favorite. I lied about the hoodie. That's my other favorite. They're all my favorites, but I always wanted to make some pants. Finally made some pants. Super exciting. Now you can wear a full WHADAFUNK outfit, head to toe. Pants, shirt, socks, hat.
With the shorts underneath.
With the shorts underneath if you want to get crazy. Let's go to the last up accessory. Let's check it out. Here we have the WHADAFUNK No Excuses mug. We made this right here at the WHADAFUNK Studios. Each piece is unique. This is a 15-ounce mug. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Can't go wrong with that. Got the squiggly on the sides. And it's cool. We got it right here too. Infused on both sides. Boom. Boom. And this is really dope mug. This is going to be really cool. Love making mugs. And you know, look at that saying. No excuses. WHADAFUNK on the bottom. Alright guys, so that is the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little hectic here and there, jumping around, but that's just how it is when you create an entire collection from scratch. Handmade DIY type style. So hope you guys enjoy that. Enjoy the process. Shout out to the crew, A&T Grizz, holding us down right here at the studio. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, make sure you leave a comment, and appreciate all your guys' support for real. Go grab the new collection if you haven't yet. Thank you. Peace.